in my opinion, what I believe to be the top 3 starter kits for beginners, for mouth-to-lung vapors. So the 3 devices I've got in front of me are the Innokin Endura T18-2, the Aspire POC-X, and the Innokin Coolfire Mini Zenith D22 kit. Yes, one of the longest names in the game, but that doesn't take away from how good the device is. So let's start with the Endura T18-2. The latest incarnation of the Endura T18 and my favourite. The reason it's my favourite of the Endura T18 devices is it's got adjustable airflow, it's got adjustable output, so you've got 3 different outputs, which is great, 3 different wattage outputs. You've got a magnetised top cap to stop pocket fluff or alike. It can use the pre-existing Endura T18 coils. You know, if you've got an Endura T18 E, for instance, you don't have to go, oh, I'm gonna have to buy new coils if I want a new tank, You don't have to do that. You can replace your T18E with this and use the same coils. Boom. Another outstanding feature of the Endura T18-2 is the fact that it's got a 1300 milliamp battery, which is a large capacity for a pen style system. Next up, we've got the Aspire POC-X. Now, the POC-X is almost a complete device. You screw the actual coil into the top cap and then that screws into the battery as opposed to 2 separate components. It comes with 2 different types of coil option. You've got 1.2 ohm coils for thinner juices, which are more strictly that throat hit, high nicotine, mouth to lung sort of vape. But you can also get a 0.6 sub ohm coil, which, all right, is more to be used as a mouth to lung actual operation, but means you can use juices up to a 70% VG. So you've got a benefit of being able to use a whole range of juices because of the coil options that you can get for the POC-X. It's got a 1500 milliamp battery capacity, so 200 milliamps more than the Endura T18-2. It's leak resistant because essentially it's all built into the battery. And unless you leave it upside down or on its side for a long period of time, you shouldn't get oversaturation if you've used the correct juice for the correct coil option. Next up, we've got the Innokin Coolfire Mini Zenith D22 kit. This kit gives you that option away from a pen style device to have a box mod. It's a small little box mod, it's a 1300 milliamp battery, but it comes with the, in my opinion, best mouth to lung tank available at the moment, the Zenith tank. It's adjustable airflow, it has different coil options. The one I've got in there is a 0.5, so like the POC-X, a sub-ohm coil. It's simple to use, like the Endura T18-2, it's 3 clicks to turn it on. You've got a menu system to go through wattage, or you can change it over to voltage. The tank, superb. The device, a great little box mod. It's very discreet, as you can see, in comparison to the other 2 devices. And it's my favorite, it's my favorite mouth to lung tank. These are all starter kits, beginners devices for beginners who are looking to mouth to lung vape. They all have options, they all have consistencies, they all have decent battery lives. They are a great way to start. Now let's vape them just to see what you're getting from these devices, starting with the Innokin Endura T18-2. Having the airflow wide open like I do gives you the option of a slightly looser draw. If you close that airflow down a little bit, you'll have a tighter draw. There'll be more heat in the coil. You might get more flavour, but you will ultimately put more pressure on the coil and need to change it sooner. The POC-X. So, the POC-X from Aspire. So I've got the 0.6 coil in here. And it's a great combo. The options of being able to use pretty much the majority of juices available is definitely in the POC-X's favour. It's just simple and easy to use. I mean, what's not to like about it? The Coolfire Mini Zenith D22. Long name, small device. How does it vape? As you can see, it gives you exactly what you're looking for as a mouth to lung vape. I've got a 0.5 coil in here and I really enjoy how this device works. The tank gives me a throat hit, but yeah, it's smooth, the airflow is perfect and spot on, it's top fill, it's very well made, and I like the little box mod. It's nice and discreet, it's small, and it vapes perfectly. Now, I can't pick a favourite, and I'm not gonna. These are my top 3, my opinion, my top 3 starter kits for beginners who are looking for a mouth to lung vape. And all 3 of these have merits. These 3 devices really do cover everything. They are all superb bits of kit. So, if you've enjoyed this video, you'd like to see more, then check out the YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on notifications. Until the next time, I've been me, you've been you. This has been the top 3 starter kits for beginners 2018, in my opinion, and see you on the flip side.